Ready to level up your next camping trip? Here are my top 20 easy camping recipes that'll make you the hero of the campsite. Let's count them down. Grab a snack, you're about to get seriously hungry. Number 20. S'mores dip. Melt chocolate. Marshmallows. In a cast iron skillet, dip in graham crackers. No campfire stick required. 19. Foil packet potatoes. Slice up some potatoes. Toss with butter. Season, wrap it up, and throw on the coals. Cheesy, steamy goodness. 18. Campfire pizza. Naan bread, pizza sauce, cheese. Your favorite toppings, all toasted on a grill grate. 17. Breakfast burritos. Scramble eggs. Add sausage, cheese. Wrap in a tortilla, grill, and wrap in foil for a grab-and-go breakfast. 16. Banana boats. Split a banana, stuff with chocolate chips. Add marshmallows, wrap in foil, and roast until gooey. Dessert for breakfast. 15. Skillet nachos. Tortilla chips, cheese. Add beans, salsa. Heat until melty and amazing. 14. Sausage and veggie skewers. Thread your favorite sausage and veggies onto sticks. Grill till charred. Simple, delicious, and fun. 13. Dutch oven chili. Brown beef. Toss in beans, tomatoes, and spices. Let it simmer while you swap stories around the fire. 12. Grilled corn on the cob. Slather in butter, sprinkle with salt. Roast over the fire, classic and irresistible. Brief delighted exhale. 11. Campfire quesadillas. Tortillas, cheese. Fold and grill anything else you love, golden and melty. 10. Stuffed peppers. Fill bell peppers with rice and cooked meat. Top with cheese, wrap in foil, and roast in the coals. 9. Pancake breakfast. Pre-mix your batter at home. Pour onto a hot skillet at camp. Add berries for extra flavor. Delicious. 8. Campfire grilled cheese. Butter up your bread. Sandwich with cheese, grill on a skillet. Golden, crispy perfection. 7. Tinfoil fajitas. Chicken, peppers, onions. Add fajita seasoning. Wrap in foil and cook right on the fire. 6. Campfire apple crisp. Slice apples, sprinkle with oats, sugar, and cinnamon. Add butter, wrap in foil, and roast. 5. Hot dogs on a stick. Old school, but always a hit. Roast over the fire until sizzling. 4. Shrimp boil foil packs. Shrimp, sausage, corn, potatoes. Season, wrap in foil, and bake over the fire. 3. Campfire mac and cheese. Pre-cook pasta, mix with cheese and milk. Wrap in foil and heat until cheesy bubbles appear. 2. Campfire French toast. Dip bread in egg mixture. Fry on a skillet, top with syrup. Breakfast of champions. And number 1. S'mores, of course. Classic, gooey, chocolatey marshmallow heaven toasted over the fire. Satisfied bite sound. Now you're ready for legendary camp meals. What's your go-to camping recipe? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to save this list. See you at the campsite.